Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am giving you a room tour. I did a whole entire makeover in Jayden's room. He no longer has a nursery, now he has a big boy's room. I was deciding for Jayden's room makeover. I honestly thought about doing the whole toddler bed and stuff like that, and I asked so many of you moms on Instagram and I got a lot of feedback. Some of you were like okay with it and some of you were like no, you're wasting your money. So I decided to go with a full-size bed instead, and also I changed his dresser. So you're gonna see some new pieces here and you're gonna see some old pieces from his nursery if you've seen his nursery tour. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it somewhere in this video so you could take a look at that. But for now, we are super happy with the way the room turned out. So this is Jayden's closet. You guys seen this closet so many times. You've seen him if you saw his nursery tour. But this is how the closet looks now. I decluttered the entire closet. Trust me, it was a hot mess. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen sometimes when your toddlers don't use their room, it becomes messy because when they play, you just don't really care to kind of clean up because they don't really use it on a daily, you know what I mean? But this is how everything turned out. I also wanted to share these tips with you. Look how I'm using these baskets to store his oversized toys, to also store his towels and his hat and little bow ties and stuff like that. I like to keep the baskets because it makes everything looks clean and clutter free. This little corner, if you saw his nursery tour, nothing really changed. I kept it the same with the camera there. We have that little wall art that I picked up at either Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. But my favorite part are these floating bookshelves. I got those from Amazon. Since I already had this IKEA storage unit, I decided to keep it and use it as a nightstand. So all I did was order new bins for it, and those are super cute and affordable. They were like $4 for $27. I also added this really pretty table lamp with this really nice clock that I got at Burlington. So for the window treatment, you guys know me, I wanted something neutral, and of course white was the best choice. And I am in love with this one because it has a lot of texture, and honestly they were super affordable at Home Goods. This monogram was from his nursery and it's from 48 Hours Monogram. So guys, here's a quick clip that I put together from the day that we got the bed and that we got the mattress. The reason why I picked this bed was because first of all, it laid really low on the floor, and then I decided to use a foam mattress, a memory foam, on very low as well. So it could be easier for Jayden to get in and out of bed, and also in case there's an accident, he's not gonna hurt himself. So for the bedding, I knew I wasn't gonna go with the typical kids bedding, so I found this one at Amazon and I am in love with it. I also got this really pretty velvet throw pillows with the little pom-poms. I think that's super cute. This never grow up pillow is also from Amazon. Don't forget to check the description because I'm linking everything for you guys. Another of my favorite find was this rock, you guys. I found this at Burlington for only $50, believe it or not, and it's so pretty. Right here I have his little activity table with his little pretend play cleaning set, which he's obsessed with and I cannot touch. So that stayed in that corner. On the dresser, I honestly didn't want to overcrowd it with decor, so I found this really pretty tray. The tray is from Target and it was $24.99, and the plant is also from Target and it was $14.99, and I love it. Over here I just put his remote control, a little plant, and maybe I would add some stuff later on, but for now that would do. This is Jayden's favorite spot on the room, and I kept it super simple. All I did was add the fairy lights and a little pom-pom. I added some throw blankets in there and some pillows. I also wanted to show you how the bed bumpers that I picked look. This is the day that I got them, opening them. They're memory foam as well, so they inflate as soon as they come out of the package, and this is how it looks on the bed. Guys, that was it for this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know that helps a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family.